Today, I'm gonna install this carbon fiber roof ring on my 2015 BMW X5, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me a comment in the section below, and also don't forget to share this video. Now today I'm gonna install this carbon fiber roof ring on my 2015 BMW X5. This is a mod that I've always wanted to do, so I'm gonna see how it turns out. I'm by my brother Andrew. Andrew, say hi. Okay, so there he goes. He's gonna help me with this installation. It's just you put 3M tape on the back of the bottom of this, and then you install it on the wing. So on the roof of the truck. So I bought this wing off eBay. I paid $200 and something. So I'm gonna see if it looks good. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of carbon fiber, but I don't have any in black or the color of my car, so I'm gonna see if it looks good. So so stay tuned for the installation. All right guys, so we have to come inside to do this part of the job. So what we're doing, we're using the 3M tape. So as you can see, Andrew is cutting the 3M tape, so he's gonna put 3M tape on all these right there, also along here. So it will go ahead, it will fit flush on the top of the roof. So we're not gonna peel the 3M tape off until we actually fit it to make sure it's in place. But we're gonna use isopropyl foil and clean the air just to make sure the 3M tape adhere to the roof. So after he's done putting on all the 3M tapes in the necessary area, we're gonna go back outside and we're gonna do the installation. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. So we're about to the surface is clean, and we're about to install the roof wing right now. So he's peeling off the 3M tape. As we speak. So we're gonna work our way from the right to the left. Okay, so this is taking a little bit longer than we thought it would be, so I'm going to speed it up. Okay guys, so the installation is complete. Now for the reveal. Okay guys, so there you have it. That completes the installation for the carbon fiber roof ring for the BMW X5. I will be leaving the information in the description below if you need to go ahead and purchase this roof ring. Like I said before, I purchased it on eBay. It's like around 2 somethings. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's raised already, but listen, I think it looks good. Leave comments in the section below if you think this roof ring looks good on the car and what type of effect do you think it gives it. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't remember guys to like, comment and share this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.